Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to create an app using the AI app builder of Appy. To begin, go to the Appy AI app builder website from your browser. Here, you can create an app by simply entering a prompt describing what you want in your app. For example, you can type, "Set up an online store." You can also add more details for specific features and functionalities. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Build button to proceed. Within minutes, your app preview will be generated with all the essential features based on your description. If you're satisfied and want to make customizations, click Save and continue to move forward. After saving, you'll be redirected to the editor, where you can personalize your app. The left panel provides access to all the pages in your app, and you can add new features using the Add feature option. On the right side, at the top, you'll find the Save button, allowing you to save any modifications you make. To manage your app's design, go to the App Manager option in the left corner and select the Design option from the menu. Here, you can customize the overall look of your app, including its layout and design. On this page, you can select app layout from various given styles like matrix, slide out, bottom, or list. As you make changes, you can preview them in the mobile frame given on the right side. You can further customize your app name and category by going to respective fields. Here, you will also be able to review your app package name, which uniquely identifies your app on the Play Store. To establish a strong visual identity, you can add a custom app icon by clicking the Edit Pencil icon, or choose from the Appy library. Similarly, you can customize the app background by selecting an option from the library or uploading your own. Next, you'll find the App Splash screen settings, which determine the screen displayed while your app loads on a mobile device. A default splash screen is provided, but you can customize it if required. Moving further, in the Color Theme section, you can easily switch between light and dark mode using the toggle button. Scrolling down, you will see the Header and Footer section. From here, you can personalize your header and footer with new font, layout, and design options. Next comes the Layout and Page tab. Here you can select and change the text font, size, color, border, background, etc. Once you've made all the necessary changes, don't forget to save them using the Save button at the top of the editor. After finalizing your app's design and settings, you can test it on your device and proceed with publishing. And that's it! You've successfully created an app using Appy's AI app builder. Thanks for watching!